This is like day 14 of the quarantine. I'm talking quiet because I'm pretty sure my wife's asleep upstairs. And it's quiet in the house. So I went to the fabricator's shop that's about an hour and a half away and got a couple pictures and a walk around of the current state of the Tacoma. So I just wanted to make a quick video kind of giving you guys a live update. I guess not live, but as live as it can get. Because I know I didn't have many pictures for the last video. That's because I didn't have a chance to go out there. So this will probably be it as far as pictures and updates until I actually go pick it up. He's pretty quick at working, so I imagine he'll probably have it done by the end of the week. It's Monday today, Monday the 30th of March. He'll probably have it done by the weekend. So I'm not sure what else I didn't include in the other video. So on top of what I already had planned and done that I can remember, we're also doing 2 aux beam LED, like 7-inch round, like driving lights, I guess, auxiliary lighting. And they're gonna go under the stinger, so the bumper, the tube bumper, and then it has a little stinger. And then the driving lights are gonna go right in the center of the stinger, and they're super bright. And then we're doing rock lights. I don't like them for all the colors and shit. I'm just gonna do the white, like the pure white. I have it simply just because I want, if I'm like driving at night or on like a trail at night, they come in handy because you can pretty much see everything around you in your rig. So that's why I wanted them. And also if you break down at night, it's nice to have a light just chilling right there. So yeah, rock lights. And then I got a CB radio, a Uniden 520. It fits like right for the first gen Tacomas where the ashtray is. It fits like right in there if you pull the ashtray out. So I got that one, and I got a bunch of Fire Stick CB stuff. And then I also got a little CD receiver, not a big deal. But yeah, so all that's going in. I'll be putting speakers in myself. I'll be putting the exhaust on myself when that comes back. And then I still need to do the valve cover gaskets and all that good stuff. So yeah, just kind of chilling. The world's weird right now. I can't really do anything. Even if the truck was finished, I think Oregon has closed all the like off-roading spots, OHVs and campsites and all that shit. So I don't even think I can do anything right now, but it'll be cool to have it back in my possession, be able to at least drive it around town, get groceries, put the parts that I'm gonna do myself on. And yeah, so I'm gonna insert a couple pictures, and then I'll insert 2 small walk-arounds of the Tacoma in its current state. And hopefully I have a video in about another week or so of me actually taking possession of it. So enjoy.